Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to make middle node head in a linked list. So the problem statement says given a singly linked list, we have to find middle of the linked list and set middle node of the linked list at beginning of the linked list. Let's see some examples to demonstrate the above problem. In the first example, we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making middle node, which is 3 as head node, output will be 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. In the second example, we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since number of nodes are even, we will make second middle node, which is 4, as head node. So after making middle node of the linked list as head node, output will be 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now let's see the algorithm to solve the given problem. We declare 3 pointers, 1 underscore node, 2 underscore node and prev. We then start traversing the linked list. We move 2 underscore node by 2 and 1 underscore node by 1. And while traversing, we keep track of previous of 1 underscore node by storing it in prev. When 2 underscore node reaches end of the linked list, 1 underscore node reaches middle of the linked list. After finding the middle node, we make middle node as head node. Now let's see the C implementation of above algorithm. The return type of this function is void. The function takes only one argument, the head of the linked list. Here we are using double pointer while passing head since we will modify the head of the linked list. If linked list is empty means head is null, then we simply return. Inside this function, we declare 3 pointers, 1 underscore node, 2 underscore node and previous. 1 underscore node and 2 underscore node are initialized with head of the linked list and previous is initialized with null. While traversing the linked list, previous of 1 underscore node is stored in prev, 2 underscore node is moved by 2 nodes and 1 underscore node is moved by 1 node. When whole linked list is traversed, 1 underscore node points on the middle node of the linked list. Now we will set middle node at head of the linked list. For that, we set next of prev to point to next of prev. After that, we point next of 1 underscore node to point to head of the linked list. And finally, we update the head by making middle node as head node. Let's understand the algorithm using an example. We have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initially, head will point to 1. We pass head of the linked list in the function setMiddleHead. Since head is not null, it will not enter this first if condition. After that, we declare 2 pointers, 1 underscore node and 2 underscore node and initialize both them with head pointer. So initially 1 underscore node will point to 1 and 2 underscore node will point to 1. We also declare a prev pointer in which we will store previous of 1 underscore node. We will now start traversing the linked list. Initially, prev will be null and both 1 underscore node and 2 underscore node will point on 1, which is the head node of the linked list. After first iteration, 2 underscore node will point to 3, 1 underscore node will point to 2, and prev, which is the previous of 1 underscore node, will point to 1. In the next iteration, 2 underscore node will point to 5, 1 underscore node will point to 3, and prev will point to 2. Since next of 2 underscore node is null, we will stop traversing the linked list. Since we have now found the middle node of the linked list, we can now make middle node as head node. For making middle node as head node, we will follow 3 simple steps. Firstly, we will set next of prev to point to next of prev. After first step, next of 2 will point to 4. Second step is to point next of 1 underscore node to head. After second step, next of 3 will point to 1, and this breaks link between 3 and 4. Final step is to make middle node as head node. After this step, head will point to 3. This makes middle node as head node of the linked list. So our final output will be 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Time complexity of this algorithm is O(n) since we are linearly traversing the linked list. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.